The purpose of this video is to show Curriculog users how to start and launch a proposal. The first step is logging into Curriculog. First, you'll click New Proposal and select the appropriate form that you want to launch. For the purposes of this video, we're going to do an undergraduate new course request. Hover over the form and click Start Proposal. Read through the instructions at the top. The first step says to turn on the help text. So click the icon here. And you will also need your pen to complete the process. For more information on how to find your pen, please visit the other training video. You'll begin with the first section that says fill in all required fields marked with an asterisk. You will not be able to launch the proposal without completing the required fields. So you're going to select the prefix, select a course number, a course title. This title must be less than 30 characters because it is what is typed into Banner with the course, and that field is protected for only 30 characters. You want your long course title if that actually is longer than what the course title above is. Include your hours here, your lecture, your lab, and your credit, whatever those may be. Select the course type. So if you're doing a biology course, it's going to be biology, of course. XIDS doesn't belong in any of these, so I'm just going to select, it's actually under interdisciplinary studies. Next, you're going to select the department in which it belongs to. You must select the department, not the college, because that's what does the routing. Again, for this example, this XIDS course does not fall under a particular department or college, so I'm just going to select one. So make sure you choose department here. Next, you're going to list your catalog course description. This is how you wish for it to appear in the catalog. This field actually feeds directly into the catalog. So you're going to type in that description here. Next, you answer the following questions. Is this change addition related to the core, honors, or XIDS courses? And go through these, answering each individual question. The status is asking if you want it active or inactive. This is basically letting you know letting us know if it needs to be active in the catalog or hidden from the catalog. So always choose active unless the registrar's office has notified you to do otherwise. Choose the desired effective semester. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and choose fall, spring, or summer. Choose the effective year. The frequency. This is how many semesters per year will the course be offered. The grading method. List your student learning outcomes. If you can, please list them in like a bulleted list. It makes it much cleaner for the reviewers to review. So if you have multiple, just list them out like this. Rationale. Prereqs lists only courses here. So if a prereq for this course is XIDS 4000, you list that here. Do the same thing for co-requisites, cross-listing, and restrictions is if they have to have a major or if it's test scores, classifications, TE admission. So teacher education admission is an example of a restriction. So put that there if there's any. If it can be repeated, make sure you list that here. If there is a fee associated with it, please list what the fee is that's going to be proposed. And you'll also need to provide a justification. This link here provides you with some information on how to put that justification there. Select the other following options as they apply. Next, you'll need to attach a syllabus To attach anything in Curriculog, you must do so by scrolling back to the top, selecting this option here, choose your file. You just select your file that you want to, click Open, and Upload. And you'll see that now that your file is attached. So this is saying that a syllabus is required. Select this option that you've attached it. Next, you're going to launch your proposal, and you'll also have to make a decision. So click Save Your Changes if you want to save it and then come back to it and work on it later. But if you're ready to launch, scroll back up to the top, select the Launch button, click Launch Proposal, and now you must make a decision. So it's turned yellow, which means it's live, but it's still in your task. So to move it forward to the next step, you're going to click Decisions. You're going to put that you approve it and make your decision. Here is where it's going to ask you that what your pin is. Enter that there. And it's now moved on. You'll see here in the proposal toolbox, it's going to show the status. It shows that the originator has approved, and it's moved to the next step, which is the review by the registrar's office. You can go back to My Proposals, and here's the one that we just did. It's going to keep the same thing. It's going to keep a list of where it is. You can always go back and view it, or you can go in and view a summary, which is just a quick summary. The summary is going to show you the process that it has to go through, each individual approval process. You can click here to send a message. So you're going to select that option. You can choose who you want it to go to and send them a message. It gives them the direct link to the proposal so they don't have to search for it. And that's basically all you do to start a proposal, launch it, and make a decision on it.